fight between Floyd Mayweather Jr. and Manny Pacquiao.
Ulit!
Bakit? Fight between Floyd Mayweather Jr. and Manny Pacquiao is all anyone is boxing talk about. Now that Mayweather beat Cher Mosley and Pacquiao won and
Game.
and congressional seat in Philippines. The fight would happen on November 13 at either Cowboy Stadium in Dallas. Kasama ba yung stadium? With or without Mayweather. We know that Mayweather said that there is no fight if Pacquiao doesn't agree to Olympic-style drug testing. If they pick up where the old negotiation left off, then the drug testing issue is the only sticking point. But a lot has changed since then. Both boxers have fight and win.